Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, where we explore the most innovative and inspiring homes from around the globe. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Take a look at this stunning silhouette. It's simple, it's iconic, and it is having a major moment in modern architecture. I'm talking about the AFrame house. And if you've been scrolling through design feeds lately, you know these triangular beauties are everywhere. They strike the perfect balance between rustic cabin charm and sleek, modern minimalism, offering an escape that feels both cozy and grand. Today, we're going to give you the ultimate breakdown. What makes an A-frame so special, why they're booming in popularity, how to decorate their unique exterior, and then we'll dive into our top 10 A-frame house designs, featuring some incredible ideas we just had to share. Get ready to be inspired. An A-frame house is an architectural style defined by its steeply angled sides that form a cross-section resembling the capital letter A. Essentially, the roof itself constitutes the majority of the walls, often extending right down to or near the foundation line. This striking design isn't a new fad. Its popularity surged globally from the mid-1950s through the 1970s, establishing itself as the quintessential vacation home, particularly in mountainous and lakeside settings. The front and rear elevations, known as the gables, are typically filled with large, often floor-to-ceiling, windows to maximize natural light and views. The result is a structure that is structurally simple yet dramatically open, offering a unique, vaulted ceiling interior space that immediately feels grand and connected to its natural surroundings. The appeal of the A-frame is rooted deeply in its practicality and distinctive style. One of the primary benefits is its incredible structural resilience, particularly in harsh climates. The steep pitch of the roof is engineered for efficiency, allowing snow, heavy rain, and debris to slide right off, which prevents dangerous buildup and structural stress, making it an ideal design for snowy regions like ski resorts. Aesthetically, the open, high-ceiling interior, often featuring a cozy loft space, maximizes the home's vertical space, creating an airy and spacious feel even within a small footprint. Furthermore, A-frames can be surprisingly cost-effective and easier to build than conventional homes due to their simpler, repetitive framing process, and they require fewer exterior wall materials. Finally, the ability to incorporate massive walls of glass allows for unparalleled natural light and panoramic views, solidifying the A-frame as the ultimate architectural gateway to nature. The exterior of an A-frame is dominated by its roof and its gable ends, which means your decoration choices should play up these features. To achieve a stunning look, focus on the harmony between materials and the surrounding environment. For a classic rustic feel, opt for natural wood siding or cedar shingles, letting the timber age naturally, or stain it a deep, rich brown. For a modern aesthetic, choose a sleek, dark-colored metal roof, such as matte black or charcoal gray, which provides sharp contrast against lighter wood accents or concrete foundations. Integrating expansive, full-height windows on the gable ends is the single most impactful decoration, as it blurs the line between inside and out. To complete the look, incorporate an extended wooden deck or wraparound porch to create functional outdoor living space, and finish with thoughtful landscaping like large planters, stone pathways, and a cozy fire pit area that invites you to relax and soak in the natural beauty. And now, for the part you've been waiting for. We've gathered 10 amazing design ideas that showcase the versatility and charm of the A-frame, giving you perfect inspiration for your next build. 1. The modern blackout cabin. This design features a dramatic, matte black metal roof extending down to the ground, paired with minimalist dark trim. The contrast is both sleek and powerful. The full-height glass front is framed perfectly by the dark metal, making the interior light look incredibly inviting and emphasizing the connection to the forest setting. 2. The classic cedar retreat. Embracing the A-frame's traditional roots, this design uses warm, untreated cedar siding across the entire roof and gable face. The natural wood tone blends seamlessly with the wooded landscape, creating a cozy and authentic cabin feel. A simple cantilevered deck provides a clean transition from the indoor living space to the surrounding nature. 3. The extended gabled deck. This innovative design maximizes outdoor utility by extending the ground floor outward to form a large, covered deck. The deck roof maintains the A-frame steep pitch, creating a massive sheltered area perfect for alfresco dining, regardless of the weather. The simple gray siding adds a contemporary, subdued touch. 4. The elevated forest perch. Built on a strong concrete or timber foundation, this elevated A-frame stands high above the terrain, offering improved views and a sheltered space below for parking or storage. The use of light-colored wood paneling keeps the structure feeling airy and bright, contrasting sharply with the deep green of the forest canopy. 5. The full glass gable wall. This is the ultimate statement in A-frame design. The entire front gable end is replaced with a massive wall of segmented, energy-efficient glass, providing breathtaking, panoramic views. This design is best suited for properties with truly spectacular vistas, turning the scenery into the home's most essential architectural feature. 6. The modified A-frame with dormers. A common challenge in A-frames is the limited usable space upstairs. This design cleverly incorporates small, box-like dormer windows cut into the sloped roofline. These additions not only break up the expansive roof surface, but also add crucial standing room and light to the upstairs loft or bedrooms. 7. The white minimalist A-frame. Moving away from the dark cabin aesthetic, this design utilizes white or light gray corrugated metal for the roof and clean white paint for the trim. This gives the classic A-frame a distinctly coastal or Scandinavian modern vibe, making it feel fresh, bright, and perfect for warmer climates or open fields. 8. The dual-tone A-frame. This design adds visual interest by segmenting the exterior. The lower portion of the roof and foundation uses dark, vertical wood siding, while the upper section uses a lighter, contrasting material like unpainted shingles or a smooth gray finish. This technique grounds the structure while drawing the eye up to its dramatic peak. 9. The A-frame with a walkout basement. Ideal for slope lots, this design incorporates a full-size walkout basement underneath the main floor. The basement wall is faced with rugged stone or exposed concrete, providing a strong base that beautifully complements the lighter wood structure of the A-frame resting on top. 10. The extended porch and fire pit oasis, focusing on outdoor living. This design features an extra deep, uncovered wooden porch that wraps around the front and side of the cabin. The inclusion of a sunken stone fire pit just off the porch creates an inviting social hub, making the entire exterior area feel like a year-round retreat. From rustic forest havens to sleek, modern retreats, the A-frame house design proves its versatility and timeless appeal. It is a style that effortlessly provides a sense of escape, combining structural ingenuity with a deep, intuitive connection to nature. Whether you're drawn to its practical, weather-shedding geometry or its capacity for an airy, light-filled interior, the A-frame remains a symbol of simple, beautiful living. It's no wonder this classic design is inspiring a whole new generation of homeowners and architects around the world. So, which of these A-frame designs is your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one. If this video sparked a desire to build your own dream getaway, please hit that like button, subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural insights and home inspiration, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time as we continue to explore the world's most fascinating homes.